Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I can't believe it's already time for my October favorites. I have a few things. It's not too crazy as far as the amount of products go that I wanted to share with you today, but I'm really excited about them and I've really enjoyed them thoroughly over the past month. If you saw my last video, yes, I'm wearing the same thing. I'm literally filming these videos back to back, so that might have caused some deja vu for some of you, but this is a new video. It's my favorites, so let's just get right into it. There's not really much more to say. I actually have some skincare products that I wanted to mention. A brand that I've been loving a lot this year is Allies of Skin, and their formulas are definitely more on the pricey side, but I feel like their formulas are priced that way because the ingredients and effectiveness of the products are incredible. Like, they're so good. And I've been enjoying two products recently from them. I've tried these products for a while. I love so many of their things, but I've been using these two products morning and night pretty consistently this month, and I feel like it's really helping my skin. So the first product is this one right here. It's the Allies of Skin 35% Vitamin C Collagen Rebuilding Serum. This really helps with pigmentation, I feel like. I love the consistency. It feels a little bit oily when you first apply it. It has a dropper, so when you first apply it to your hands, it's kind of a greasy type texture, but I feel like it sinks into the skin really nicely. And also I've noticed my moisturizers lay on top of it really well too, which is not always the case with vitamin C serums. Sometimes they can pill underneath other products, or when they're mixed with other products, they can be a little bit more difficult, but this is amazing. And it's actually a waterless formula, which is really unique, but I really love it. I apply it all over the face. I even go around the eye area with this, and I feel like it's really been doing something to my skin. I also feel like my skin looks bouncier after using this. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm making all the correct claims. Like, I don't really know exactly what this is supposed to do. This was sent to me in a PR package from them a while back. I need to look up like what this is supposed to do and see if my speculations match up as far as what I feel like it's doing for my skin, but it's been really great. I've been really enjoying it. This next product has been like my SOS skincare go-to when I feel like I just need something really great and my skin's a little bit out of control and I want to put a treatment on, but I don't want to overdo it and I don't want to panic and start layering like 5,000 ingredients onto my skin. I grab this and I swear every time I wake up with much better skin. This is also from Allies of Skin. It's the Retinol and Peptides Overnight Mask. So I like to just cleanse the skin and I literally don't put anything else on but this. I will layer on a moisturizer on top though, since retinol can tend to be drying. So I'll either do like my Drunk Elephant Protini or Lala Retro whipped cream, or I'll do my Mara Beauty Moringa oil. It just depends on like how dry my skin is. This is magic, like seriously magic, and you don't need that much. This is definitely more of a pricey product, but again, I don't use it every night, just when I need that extra TLC. It brightens the complexion, it plumps the skin, it resurfaces, it just does everything. I really love this one. Moving on to an eye cream that I've been loving. Now, I don't necessarily use this in my skincare routine. I use it right before doing makeup. And it's this one right here. It's the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Eye Base. This is something that's so nice. It's just really beautiful. It's a great formula for underneath makeup. I'm wearing it around my entire eye area today, and I just feel like it really helps prep the eyes. It hydrates perfectly. It leaves just the right amount of moisture behind. There's also like a cooling sensation that you get that helps kind of feel like it's depuffing the eye area. And again, I just feel like concealer and powder lays beautifully on top of this all day long. I've been using it pretty consistently this month, and it has quickly become a favorite of mine. All right, I have one eye product, and then the rest are lip products. And then I also have some nail polishes to share with you, but I can't even tell you guys how much I love this palette. I'm wearing it on my eyes today. This from ColourPop, the That's Taupe palette, is so good. I love it. I love all the looks I've been able to create with this so far. I feel like I'm able to create a solid matte look, which is really fun for fall, but also they have enough shimmers in here to really make something look beautiful and glam. I love the Super Shock shadow. That's what you see on like the inner portion. That's kind of giving that reflective look. Every single shade I love, which is hard to find because even with ColourPop like 9 shadow palettes, there's usually one shade that I don't really dip into. I have dipped into every single one of these shades and they're equally exciting to me and they are equally flattering on me. It's a good palette. This one might be my new favorite from ColourPop, which is wild because I love a lot of ColourPop palettes, but I had to talk about it. In that same collection, I tried out this ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Ashton. It's a really cool, I was gonna say cool toned. It's a really unique, cool toned lip liner. Let me swatch it for you so you can see what it looks like. Here it is right here. It has like a mauvey undertone, definitely kind of like that greigey vibe. I feel like it's perfect for fall. It's a lip liner that I'm wearing today, and I layered on another lipstick, which I'll share in a minute, but I feel like it looks really nice on the outskirts of the lips, obviously. I feel like it kind of gives that bit of contour and definition. I've also been able to wear all over the lips, and it's a very unique color. It is super cool tone, so if you're not into a little bit more of that greigey cool tone vibe when it comes to lip products, you might not like this, but I feel like it added to my collection and I've enjoyed it a lot. So if you guys recall, I recently did a video trying out your favorite fall lipsticks. So many of those lipsticks are beautiful and stunning, but there are 2 that I can't stop wearing. I've worn them consistently after filming that video, so I wanted to mention them in this video. One of them is the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution lipstick in the shade Very Victoria. This is what I have all over the lips mostly. This color is so beautiful, and it's a color I feel like I'm gonna wear all year round. I love that it has a little bit of a mauvey undertone though, but not too much. It's like a pinky mauve. Here it is next to the lip liner. It looks like super pink next to the lip liner, but it's a gorgeous formula. It's a gorgeous color. I love it so much. I can't stop wearing it. The second lip color that I can't believe I never tried, and I know so many of you guys were also shocked at the fact that I had never tried this before. It's from MAC Cosmetics. It's the lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy. I tried this for the first time this month, and I literally can't get enough of it. It's so beautiful. This is another one of those products that I feel like I'm gonna be wearing all year round. Here's that one right there. This one has a little bit more pigment than the Very Victoria, but I like the Very Victoria formula, the Matte Revolution formula, because it's a little bit more sheer, so I feel like it's super forgiving. No matter what your complexion is, it's gonna really just kind of mesh well with your natural lip color, if that makes sense. This one is so gorgeous. I did layer a little bit of this in the center. Obviously, this one's a little more pink, but again, such a flattering color, and I'm so excited about it. These 2 I have been wearing nonstop. All right, I've got 2 lip balms that I really wanted to share with you. I cannot remember if I've put this in a favorites video. This lip balm I've been using for months now, and I kept wanting to put it in a favorites video, and then I lost it, so I couldn't, and I wasn't using it as consistently, obviously, because I couldn't find it. Then I found it again recently, and I've been using it every single day. It's from Fresh. Now, this one is a limited edition version with stickers on it, so I like customize my stickers. But they have just like the normal packaging right now. This is the Fresh Beauty Sugar Caramel Hydrating Lip Balm. For fall especially, this is just to die for. It's my current go-to. I love it so much. It tastes really nice. The whole vibe of it is just cozy. So yeah, I've been really enjoying this all over again, and I'm happy to be finally putting it in a favorites video. Also, this product right here, I've been using nonstop. It sits right front and center here on my desk, and it's incredible. It's from Kopari. It's the Lip Glossy, and this one is just the original, I'm pretty sure. They sent me another one that was kind of like frosty looking, and I haven't really tried that one as much because as soon as I tried this, I couldn't put it down, so I need to grab that one and see if I like it as much as this one. But it just leaves the lips so perfectly hydrated. I love to use it before makeup, especially because it seriously just preps the lips so nicely. Plus it tastes really good as well. All right, for nail polish now, I would have normally painted my nails with one of these colors, but I didn't have time. So you'll just have to imagine these colors on. But Lights Lacquer, which is Kathleen Light's nail polish brand, they launched their fall collection this month, and something about it just spoke to my soul completely. It's the When in Romance collection. I actually have the PR kit right here. Isn't that to die for? So it's like this case, and inside you'll see all of the different nail polishes. I actually haven't had the chance to try all of the shades yet. I usually paint my nails once a week, So I've only tried 2 so far, but I had to mention the whole collection because just the vibe and just the colors really spoke to me. There's one in particular that I have had the opportunity to wear that is just to die for. And if there's one color that I feel like I would recommend so far out of the collection, actually I've tried 3 shades. I've swatched them all, but I haven't like put them on and worn them for a week. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, my favorite shade out of the whole bunch is this one right here. It's called Venus. It's the most stunning. Why is my camera doing this to me? Okay, we're in focus. It's the most stunning, like shifty fuchsia gold polish. When I put this on my nails, I literally would look at my nails like this all day long. Every time there was like a patch of sunlight in the car, I would stick my nails in the sunlight and just be mesmerized at how gorgeous the shift is on this polish. Some might argue that this is not a fall shade. I feel like it is a fall shade. If you live in a place where the leaves change colors, I swear there's leaves that are this color. And beyond that, I'm excited about it because I feel like I could get away with it for longer than just fall, if that makes sense. I love that shade so much. I wanted to give the entire collection a nice shout out though, because there was something about it that like literally made me giddy like all month long. So I wanted to make sure to mention that in today's video. All right, you guys, so that completes my video today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I would love to know what you have been loving in the comments down below. Also, if you missed my last video, there is the Sephora sale happening right now. So if you want to see what I would recommend, if you want to participate in the sale and get some great products for a better price, I will have that video linked down below. If you're new here, hi, my name is Allie, and I would love for you to join the family. You can do so by hitting the subscribe button. And if you're already a subscriber but you want to be notified on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, click on the bell after you subscribe and you'll get a notification every single time I post. That's it for today's video. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.